You know you're officially an adult when your emotional support item isn't a Stanley Cup, it's a well planned bag full of emergency supplies. Welcome back. I'm Jess of OK's Family Travels, and today we're talking about my kit, also known as an EDC or everyday carry, also known as the reason friends and family have called me weirdly prepared more times than I can count. This little pouch lives in my bag at all times. It came from Amazon and I love that it zips apart into two separate pouches, which feels like some kind of win. I'll put a link below if you're interested in getting it. Today, I'm going to show you everything inside and why I carry it. First of all, the pouch itself deserves credit. I saw this on the Handbag Connoisseurs channel and immediately hit add to cart. I love that it zips apart into two pouches because it keeps the chaos contained. I don't need my band-aids fraternizing with my lip stain. Different sections have different missions. One side is comfort and the other is disaster recovery. This side is full of things that would normally be floating around in my purse, getting lost, duplicated, or rolling out and around on the floor of my car. First up, sunscreen. This little tube has saved me from surprise outdoor events and moments when I asked my red-faced son if he put on sunscreen and he answers, "You mean like today?" Next is lip stain to keep up the pretty while you're on the go. Breath strips because
You just eat falafel?
the Tide pen has saved me and others during dinners, meetings, road trips, and one almost devastating incident involving Taco Bell fire sauce. Anti-chafing lotion prevents me from walking like a cowboy at the end of the day. I carry both a nail file and nail clippers because broken nails instantly become my entire personality. The second one snags on fabric, I lose all ability to focus. And the safety pins fix all manner of things. Public bathroom soap removes not only germs and dirt, but a layer of your soul, so I carry lotion. A single-use lip balm packet is here in case my regular lip balm mysteriously disappears into another dimension. It's also nice to give someone without spreading the germs around. Flossers are one of those things you don't appreciate until you desperately need one, because nothing ruins your confidence faster than feeling a sesame seed lodged in your teeth while maintaining eye contact with another human being. Then we have bobby pins and hair ties, tiny little survival tools. My hair has a way of becoming aggressively inconvenient at the worst possible moment. And lastly, we have a spare electrolyte packet because dehydration will make you ugly in like 10 different ways. So that's the beauty side. Now let's move to the Jesus fix-it side, where things get significantly more dramatic. First up is a tiny emergency repair pouch. Inside we have a sewing kit, zip ties, safety pins, and single-use super glue. Like, yes, technically I pack them for practical reasons, but I also feel like I could survive in the wilderness for 6 fiscal minutes with this stuff. I carry multiple sizes of band-aids because every injury somehow requires a different architectural design. Tiny cut, plain old band-aid. Heel blister from cute but dishonest shoes. Waterproof band-aid or moleskin, and completely wipe out on the sidewalk, big-ass fabric band-aid. Obviously, we have emergency period products. My perimenopausal uterus behaves like a spoiled Victorian child. These aren't just for me either. Somebody always needs something, and I love the rush of heroic pride when someone asks, "Do you have a tampon?" And I can answer, "Yep." Tiny scissors. Honestly, these get used constantly for tags, loose threads, packaging engineered by Satan. The tiny scissors handle it all. I carry a lighter even though I don't smoke because lighters are useful. Candles, emergency situations, random birthday cake moments because nobody smokes anymore. A flashlight because using your phone flashlight sounds convenient until your battery is at 3% and you're trying not to die in a dark parking lot. I keep a folded up plastic grocery bag in here as a trash bag, place for wet clothes, and when I suddenly have more things than I have hands. Eye drops are mandatory for allergies, dry air, and when staring at screens have turned my eyeballs into raisins. I carry a nosebleed plug because life is unpredictable and noses are drama queens. And if you've ever had a random nosebleed in public, you know how quickly it turns into a crime scene. I carry a tiny first aid booklet because confidence and actual medical knowledge are not the same thing. And Google's AI first aid is just not a reliable source. Tiny eyeglasses repair kit exists because my glasses always break at the least convenient moment possible. Then we move to more first aid. Burn cream, triple antibiotic cream, anti-itch cream, for if your skin gets irritated, inflamed, itchy, burned, scraped, or offended. Single-use hand sanitizer packet is for washing your hands before you first aid someone. Alcohol prep pads are tiny but mighty. They aggressively clean both surfaces and your phone, but can also wipe out nausea if you sniff them. And finally, itch relief pads and non-stinging wound cleansing wipes. This keeps you from scratching a bug bite until it bleeds, thanks mosquitoes. And these help you not to have to lie to a kid who has scraped their knee. So that's my kit. Every single thing in here has earned its place, usually through inconvenience, humiliation, or a specific story I never want to repeat. All right, now what's in your emergency kit? Tell me the weirdest or most useful thing in your everyday carry down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around, and we can all become beautifully organized little goblins together. Thanks for watching.